Your lawnmower puts in the work. Maybe it's time you return the favor. So we've teamed up with our good friends at Toro to bring you a quick and easy checklist to keep your mower humming and your yard looking sharp. To help demonstrate, today we have this beast of a Toro lawnmower. It's self-propelled, has a 6.75 horsepower engine, a 3-in-1 deck, and it's electric start. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is clean the deck. Grass clippings, dirt, and debris can collect over time and choke off airflow, making your mower work harder than it should. You can use a putty knife or scraper to remove any heavy buildup. Then give it a rinse with a garden hose to clear away the rest. So the next thing we want to do is check or change the oil. Just like a car, your mower needs clean oil to run smoothly and avoid engine wear. Change the oil at the start of every season, or after every 25 to 50 hours of use. To make draining easier, run the engine for a few minutes first. Warm oil flows out more easily. Once drained, refill with fresh mower grade oil, and don't forget to dispose of the old oil responsibly. So next on our checklist is sharpening the blades. Dull blades rip and shred the grass, which can damage your lawn and make it more prone to disease. You should sharpen your blades at least twice a season, or every 25 hours of use. And if you hit a rock or anything solid, it's best to sharpen them right away. You can use a metal file or a sharpening machine, but either way, always wear gloves and handle the blades with care. The next thing you want to do is inspect and clean the air filter. A clean air filter helps your engine run more efficiently and improves fuel performance. If you mow often, check it once a month. For occasional use, a quick inspection at the start of the season is usually enough. If your mower has a paper air filter, you can use compressed air in order to blow out the debris. If you can't get it clean with the compressed air, or if the filter's torn or damaged, then you're going to have to replace it. If your mower uses a foam filter, it can be cleaned with warm soapy water. Just be sure to dry it completely, then lightly oil it before reinstalling. Next on our list is checking the spark plug. Over time, plugs can develop carbon buildup, which leads to misfires, sluggish performance, or no start at all. It's a good idea to replace the spark plug every other year, or sooner if it looks blackened or fouled. Use the spark plug socket wrench for easy removal, and when installing a new one, tighten it to the recommended torque setting to avoid damage. Next thing you want to do is check your drive belt. If you're using a self-propelled mower, the drive belt plays a crucial role in keeping it moving smoothly. Take a few minutes to check them for cracks, glazing, or burn marks, all signs that it might be time for replacement. If the belt feels loose or slips during use, inspect the tensioner and adjust as needed. Don't forget to check the pulleys and the idlers too. Make sure they're not worn and that everything is lined up correctly. Next thing on our list is to check the wheels. Make sure each wheel is spinning freely and tracking straight without wobbling or resistance. Next, check that all 4 wheels are set to the same height setting. This keeps the deck level and ensures an even, consistent cut across your lawn. Worn or misaligned wheels can throw everything off. So last thing you want to do is check your battery. If your mower has an electric start, keeping the battery in good shape is essential for a hassle-free start every time. Start by using a multimeter to check the battery's charge. If it's not holding a charge reliably, it's probably time for a replacement. Take a moment to inspect the battery terminals. If you see rust or corrosion, clean them using a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this video helps you keep your lawnmower running strong for years to come. A little maintenance really does go a long way. And a big thank you to our friends at Toro for helping make this video possible. Take care and we'll see you next time.